Hi guys, good day. I'm here with the newly crowned Mr. Philippine Youth 2026. Hello there, kumusta?
Hello there, I'm James Ferrer. I'm the 2026 Mr. Philippine Youth Grand Winner. Thank you for the support. Hindi ko in-expect na mananalo talaga ako. Just very thankful for, of course, God and then the support of my family and friends. Kaya wala masabi. And all I can say is that I look forward to my future and you'll know me very soon.
Gaano mo to pinagandaan?
Of course, binigay ko po lahat from the start. Pinagplanuhan ko na po manalo. Down to the votings and then, of course, the coronation night. Yung coronation night po talaga yung pinagandaan namin. Especially yung banda and the support, the VIPs and everything. Lahat po nakaplanado na from the start.
What are you going to do with your prize?
So, sa prizes naman po, I plan to share some of it to my family. And then, I'm gonna use my title to be known to the world and hopefully makahelp po ng ibang mga tao.
What's your plan now, right after the coronation night?
My plan for the coronation night is gusto ko pumasok sa acting world, modeling world, and so on. And,
Aside from acting, ano pa yung goal mo this 2026?
I plan to be known and to be an influencer.
Wow, you are well known, of course, because you are the winner of Mr.
Hopefully,
Philippine Youth.
I'll be more well
Do you have
known.
any message to your fans and supporters and as well as to the persons behind your journey?
Okay. Thank you very much for this, for your support and for your love. Wala po masabi. I didn't expect to win at all, like at all. Hindi ko po talaga in-expect. And I'm just very happy, very thankful for everything. Lalong-lalo na sa experience. Sabi ko sarili ko, manalo man o matalo. Laban. And here I am, binigay ni Lord yung panalo.
Where can they follow you? Where can they follow you?
You can follow me on IG. My username is James Ferrer. James Ferrer, tatlong R sa dulo. And then, Facebook naman is James Lawrence Kumain. And then TikTok, James Ferrer din.
Alright, thank you so much and
Thank you very much.
congratulations!